Energies changing forms. Energy constantly changes forms. These changes happen in living and non-living things. A moving object has energy of motion. It carries its energy of motion as it moves. An object that is not moving does not have energy of motion. Some energy changes are caused by machines. A toaster changes electrical energy into heat energy. A car's engine changes the chemical energy in gasoline to energy of motion. Let's quickly look at the different or various forms of energy. Chemical. Chemical energy holds together particles of matter, including those that make up food. It gives our bodies energy. Motion. Energy of motion makes objects move. Swinging changes stored energy into energy of motion. Electrical. Electrical energy moves through wires made of certain metals. It provides power to run electrical appliances in homes. Light. Light energy from the sun is used by plants to make food. Other forms of energy are changed into light to help people see. Thermal. Thermal energy makes particles of matter move faster. We feel thermal energy as heat. Transferring energy of motion. A moving object has energy of motion. If it hits another object, the energy is transferred or moved to the other object. The second object starts to move, but the first object slows down or even stops. Suppose you are playing with a set of toy trains on a track. You push one train and let go. It bumps into another train. The second train begins to move, while the first train gradually stops moving. The energy of motion of the first train is transferred to the second train. The total amount of energy does not change. The same thing happens if you play pool. When one ball hits another ball, its energy of motion is transferred. Friction. When a moving object touches another object, some energy of motion changes into heat energy. Friction causes this change. It reduces a moving object's energy of motion. This causes the object to slow down. Suppose you are riding a bicycle. Your bike will keep moving for a while after you have stopped pedaling. But soon, the bike will slow down and stop. The contact between the tires and the road causes friction. Some of the bike's energy of motion becomes heat. To overcome the force of friction, what can you do? Well, you have to keep pedaling. Very good job. Thank you for listening. Let's quickly review some of the things we covered today. Look at these pictures. Which one do you think is chemical energy? Oh yes, good job. Another question, well, we got chemical energy. Which one is energy of motion? Did you find it? Excellent. Okay, let's do two more. Electrical energy. Which picture do you think represents electrical energy? Ah, good job. Good job. And now, which picture do you think shows thermal energy? Excellent. Well done, well done. Two more questions. Which picture shows transferring energy of motion? Yep, that's right. The pool balls hitting each other are transferring energy of motion. And the final question, which picture do you think represents friction? Yes, good job. Okay, well, good job. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening to the video today. I hope you learned something. I hope it was useful. And take care. See you next time. Goodbye.